So our general formula is 2 times the small equals the big. Okay, so you got 2 times x plus 25. I even said it, and I didn't write it. X plus 25 equals x plus 16. What did I do wrong?
Oh, you put the big number first.
Yeah, I put the big one with where the small one should be. I realized it when I hit the 5, but then I thought, I'll go with it. Okay, so x plus 25 is really the big one, and x plus 16 is the small one. So you have to put them in the right order, otherwise you're going to get some kind of crazy answer. So make sure that it looks like that rather than what I wrote initially. Okay, so our next step would be to distribute. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 16 is 32. And x plus 25. Okay, and then we need to get all our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So we're going to say minus 1x, minus 1x. And then I need to move this 32. How do I move a plus 32?
Minus 32.
Minus 32 on both sides. So 2x minus a 1x is 1x. 25 minus 32 is 25, 30, 1,
7.
Negative 7. Okay, and then our last step is always to do what?
To put it back in.
So yes, you could. Most people are going to say divide, but it's not going to change anything. Dividing by 1 never changes anything. But okay, so we can plug it back in. What segment are we trying to find? Because plug it back in where? CB. Okay, so that is this x plus 17. So we're trying to find CB, which is x plus 16. And what is our x value?
7. Negative 7.
So negative 7 plus 16 is 10, 9. I want to say 9, but my math is not great. So, yeah, I feel like it's 9.
9.
Yeah. Okay, so, and I just want you to think, so if this CB, the small one, is 9, what does the big one have to be?
18.
18. Now, this is just my advice. Take it, don't take it. If you accidentally maybe use JL, okay, you would still get 18, and you could write in that one. So, even if you plugged it in the wrong one, I would fill out both of these just to double cover you, okay? Because I'm going to take it. If you have both of these and you accidentally plugged in for the 18 one, the big one, JL, I don't really care about that. I care about what numbers that you eventually end up with. And so if you plug it into the wrong one, that's okay if you still have both of the numbers up there. Okay, so that's up to you. If you don't want to write both of them, you definitely don't have to. Can I scroll? 3?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's same thing. It says find CD. Okay, well, our first step is going to be 2 times the small, which is going to be 2x minus 16 equals the big, which is 2x minus 8. 2 times the small is going to equal the big. Okay, so 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 16 is going to be negative 32. And the other side we keep the same. Okay, our next step is going to be to get all the letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So plus 32, plus 32. Jared, you working? Okay. Okay, and so we can move everything around. So 4x minus 2x. Sammy, you with us?
Yeah.
Okay, you're fine. Just checking.
I just don't like talking because I don't want to start layering up.
Okay. So I got negative 8 plus 32 is going to give you 24. So I got 2x equals 24. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 2. So I got x equals 24 divided by 2 is 12. And then where do we plug that into? Yeah, we're going to plug it into CD, which is CD, just kidding, CD is 2x minus 16. And our x value is 12, so it's really going to be 2 times 12 minus 16. Which is going to give you 8. Okay, and so if our small one is 8, what is our big one?
24.
24. 8
I was so unclear about that.
8 plus 8.
16.
16, there you go. It's okay, it's early. I like how you 24. Just kidding.
I knew it wasn't right. That's why I said it like that.
You're like, alright. Let's look at the next page. Pretty good or no? You sure? Okay, these ones say order the sides from shortest to longest. Okay, so the first thing I found that's easiest is to just label them. Okay, so what is the smallest one? Up here is going to be the 35. So this is, we're going to label 1. And the P is going to be 2 because it's 70. And Q is going to be 3 because it's 75. Okay, so use your pencil or something and cover up 1. What 2 letters are left? PQ. So PQ is going to be your first one. Okay, so we've done 1. Now cover up 2. What's left? It's going to be RQ. And then cover up 3. Okay, well the only letters I have left then are RP. Okay, and so now you've ordered the sides from shortest to longest. Okay, 19, you're going to do it the same way. So we can say E is 40, which so that's going to be the smallest. D is 56, and then C is the biggest, and that's 84. Okay, so you cover up 1, and so you're going to have DC. It's going to come first, and then cover up 2, and that gives us EC, and then cover up 3, and that gives us DE. Okay, state if the 3 numbers can make a triangle. Okay, so we got 8, 3, and 11. So we can say greater than 8, greater than 3, greater than 11. Okay, so for the 8, we're going to have 3 plus 11. Okay, is 3 plus 11 greater than 8?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, for the 3 one, it's going to be 8 plus 11. Is 8 plus 11 greater than 3? Yeah. And then for the 11, I got 8 plus 3 is greater than 11.
They equal.
They equal each other. So 11 is greater than 11 is not true. Okay, on these ones, you better write yourself a note somewhere. Quite a few of you guys, because I was grading your ones on Friday. You need to write me the word yes or no for your answer. You can have all that down. I don't know that you know, just because you can write a list down, do you know if it makes a triangle or not? Okay, so either write me yes or no, because some of you guys just write this part. It would even be so far to say, and I don't know I don't know, especially if you don't write the checks or the X's or something. So make sure that you write me yes or no on there as your final answer, okay? Okay, this one, 18, 9, and 6. So you can say greater than 18, greater than 9, greater than 6. So we got, gosh, I can't think. 9 plus 6? Is 9 plus 6 bigger than 18?
No.
No, it's not. 15 is greater than 18. That's not true. So you could stop here. You don't need to do the rest of the math, okay? As soon as you get a no, put no and keep it moving. Okay, the last page is the same essentially, except for we're only given 2 sides, and they want you to find the possible ranges for the third side. Okay, so I got 9, 9, x. Okay, put the x there. So you could say greater than 9, greater than 9, greater than x. Okay, so for this one I'm going to have 9 plus x is greater than 9. For the second one, I'm going to have 9 plus x is greater than 9. And the third one, I'm going to have 9 plus 9 is greater than x. Okay, and so for all these, we need to solve. So I'm going to say minus 9. I'm trying to get x by itself. Okay, so I got x is greater than 0. Do you need to solve the second one? No, it's the same as the top one, so don't waste your time. Okay, and then the third one, I got 9 plus 9 is 18 is greater than x. Okay, so x is greater than 0. Will that work? Yes, it does. Okay, what about 18 is greater than x? Does that work?
Yes.
Yeah, so as long as it's not a negative, it's fine. And what this says is the triangle third side is between, if I had to say it like in verbal words, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 17, but it can't be 18 and it can't be 0. Okay, so that's what that's saying, that third side ranges somewhere in between there. Okay, so as long as it's not negative, you can circle it. Okay, and then 27, it says greater than 7, greater than 10. You can say comma x. So I got greater than 7, greater than 10, greater than x. Okay, so for the greater than 7, I'm going to have 10 plus x is greater than 7. And then for the 10, I got 7 plus x is greater than 10. And this one's going to be 7 plus 10 is greater than x. Okay, so on the top one, I'm going to say minus 10 from both sides. I got x is greater than negative 3. Would that work? Why not? Because it's a negative. Can you have a negative side of a triangle? No. Okay, so that one does not work at all. So this one is going to be minus 7 on both sides. So 10 minus 7, 3, and so that could work. And then 7 plus 10, 17 is greater than x, and that will work.